¿Cómo identificamos? ¿Verdad? O sea, entonces, la pregunta es que muchos confunden el ovni con el extraterrestre. Y la pregunta es,
Gonzalez, you got to turn your TV off or whatever that is, or mute it. One or the other, please. Okay, Ms. Bynum, what's going on?
You ready now?
Yeah, Ms. Bynum. Let me get you.
This is Zach's fault. Leonard's Unite.
All right, and welcome to the Honorable Adelaide Security Judicial Center at 36 District Court, State of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding.
Mr. Little, what do you want to do? Trial or tell the?
What I want to do, I want to get it dismissed.
It's not going to happen like that. You know it's not going to happen like that. You
But that's
got
okay,
this
too.
last time.
I would like to make it a matter of record, because I want to prove that the court does not have the jurisdiction to even prosecute.
All right, I'm gonna get the reviews out,
Okay,
and then I'm gonna call.
fraud.
All right, hold that, I'll let you make a record. I'm gonna get the reviews out, and then I'm gonna let, you make your record, and we'll get you
I
on.
also like to see those bonds today too, sir.
I don't know what you're talking
You know,
about.
they sitting on your desk, they sitting on her desk, no file over there.
All right,
Take a bond, every time a person comes to court. Finance has nothing to do with it.
yeah. All right, I'll put it.
It's just
City
always
of
chaos.
Detroit, Mr. Lahari, now, I'm gonna give you a chance now. Let's not keep going back and forth. Wait till your turn gets ready. City of Detroit versus Marquita Marie Brady. City of Detroit. Versus Brandon, let's start that, Bernard Brandon Little, case numbers SP 1695294, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1695296, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Little, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Grand Rising.
First
First of all, Your Honor, I'm your magistrate. I would like to know, do you recognize that a man stand before you?
Stand up to the
I'm at the
podium.
podium right here.
No, stand up to the podium.
Your Honor.
All right. No, we're not gonna do this your
I'm
way.
standing at your podium because under duress, I'm standing at your
We're
podium.
gonna do this my way.
Yes, sir, we are
All
gonna
right.
put your way.
All right, state your name for the record again, please.
For matter of record, Your Honor, do you recognize that a man standing before you?
I do.
All right. For the record,
Oh, it's under duress. I love it.
my name is Bernard Brandon Little. Not the fictional, not the all caps, but the man.
Oh, good Lord. SovCit time. I did not even know.
Okay. Now, indicated you wanted to make a record. I was allowing you to make that record. You indicated some things in the record.
I indicated on the record that you stated that I was a man, a live man, not fictional.
No, we off the record when you were.
No, we're on the record, Your Honor. Did you recognize that a man standing before you? Your Honor,
Listen, sir.
your magistrate.
Mr. Little.
I'm asking you.
Mr. Little,
Yes.
you don't ask the questions. I ask the questions.
No, you don't, Your Honor. No, you don't.
All right.
You're a magistrate.
All right, listen.
You don't have the authority. You don't have the authority, Your Honor.
Listen,
Magistrate,
listen,
you don't
sir,
have
I'm not gonna
authority.
keep going back and forth with
You're not
you.
going back and forth with.
Put him out.
Yeah, put it up.
And I don't need you to comment either. Whoever made the comment.
I do.
All right.
So
Get out.
you're refusing me?
Get out.
You're refusing me, Your Honor?
Get him out.
I need to correct you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
I got you. Okay. Have a good day, Mr. Love.
Yeah, sir.
While court is in session, everybody needs to have their device on vibrator silent.
City of Detroit versus David Lloyd.
Oh, that was just fantastic. Thank you, Zach.
Do I have at least 2 witnesses that they are committing treason? This is treason. They're violating my rights.
All right, we're going to try this. I don't know if I can pull it off, but I'm going to try right now. I got one from Jalapeno. Let's see.
County attorney, sir. What's your name, though, while we're waiting?
Cheslaw Nestor.
All right, Cheslaw Nestor. Mr. Nestor, I have a couple of documents that are dealing with the 48 hours that have occurred with you in the last little bit. Nothing's been formally filed in your case, but I'm going to set your bond today. It's like you have a couple of 48s. One's alleging criminal restraint and domestic battery. The other's alleging criminal threat. We'll set bond on him. What's the state's position on bond?
Your Honor, the criminal threat is a level 9 person felony. Bond, according to the bond schedule in that matter, should be $2,500, and then in the other matter with criminal restraint and domestic battery, that's a Class A and a Class B misdemeanor, and so I would ask for $1,500 in that case.
That's what I'm going to set it as. And also on both cases, no contact with Terry Bohm. So you can see a bondsman about this, Mr. Nestor. $1,500 on the one case, $1,500 on the other case. Let me read the bond conditions and then we'll talk about it. No contact with Terry Bohm, no face-to-face, friend-to-friend, social media contact, no contact of any kind. No possession or consumption of any illicit drugs or any alcohol while you're out on bond. Stay away from alcohol or illicit drugs. You'll be tested randomly to see if you have any in your system, and if it comes up positive for those, you're going to be rearrested. Yes, Mr. Nestor.
I was going to ask you, is it possible that I could have an OR bond? Because I have a good job. I have, I was going to go to the emergency room today because I think my hernia ruptured. I've been doing really well. I've been off of parole. I'm discharged in December. I've been home 14 months, doing really well. Just had a mutual misunderstanding, a brief argument. I'm sorry. And I had to go, I really need to go to the emergency room. I'm in so much pain and I have a really good job and I was doing everything right. And
Where
I
do you
just
work?
had,
Where do you work?
I work for Dan Rito at Rito's Garden Center.
Oh, it's
State's
IBS
position
time.
on.
Your Honor, I think he said he's on parole. I'm not.
No. I was discharged from parole back in December.
Oh, okay.
I didn't have one violation or nothing. I did a good job. Kyle Bartlett I didn't do nothing wrong. I've been home 14 months now doing everything correctly. I had a brief argument. I'm sorry. It never happened again. That's not even me.
I would be opposed. I think he basically just admitted it, and I would defer to Mr. Greenwood though.
I had a brief argument. That's it.
All right, I'm gonna just keep your bond there. I mean, you're not talking about huge bonds. I mean, you're talking about $400 to pay a bondsman.
Right.
$1,000 total.
How much is my bond total?
$4,000, $4,000. So you're talking about 10% of that. That's not a big bond. Okay.
But,
that's all I have for you today.
Because I'm concerned about my hernia that might have possibly busted. I'm worried about losing my job.
Sure. And if you post that, that commercial surety bond, you'd be out quick. So
what's a surety bond?
Seeing a bondsman.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
But is it possible if I can't bond out, is it possible an OR could be recommended?
Anything's possible, but probable is kind of where you're living now, and that might not be probable. So, all right, work on that surety bond, okay?
All right. Thank you.
Yep.
Is that it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Ethan Liker, right? Sure, Liker, you're here on a probable cause affidavit. Nothing
Okay. Okay, that is fantastic. Thank you. Thank you, Zach. And who else I'm looking for right now? Oh, Jalapeno. That's right. Zach and Jalapeno coming through for me. I can't believe I did this. I might not lay over right now. I'm going to stand up. I'm sitting out here. I'm just going to prove to you. This stream brought to you by the Wi-Fi at the Houston airport. I can't believe it worked. And it's 2 great clips. Thank y'all for coming out. I just pulled my laptop out. I got a flight in a couple hours. Oh yeah, I'm in Houston. I flew all night from Ecuador. Oh, I'm a little out of it. Just haven't slept. I'm shocked that worked. Thanks for coming out. Those were fantastic clips. I will get to another location and do a proper stream. I'll see y'all soon.